Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recategorize multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is especially helpful when you've reviewed your books and noticed that several transactions were assigned to the wrong category and need to be corrected together. If you need to clean up your books quickly and move several transactions from one category to another at the same time, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to do that using the Reclassify Transactions tool. This can save a lot of time compared to opening each transaction one by one and editing them individually. For example, if several expenses were accidentally categorized under office supplies instead of advertising, you can update them in one batch rather than fixing every transaction separately. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open your Settings and Tools menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps several helpful features for managing your company file. Depending on your QuickBooks subscription and user permissions, the exact tools available in this menu may vary slightly. From the menu, select Reclassify Transactions. This tool is designed specifically to help you review and move transactions in bulk, which is especially useful if something was posted to the wrong account and you want to correct multiple entries at once. It's a convenient option during bookkeeping cleanups, month-end reviews, or whenever you notice a repeated categorization error. Once you're in the Reclassify area, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of accounts. Choose the account that currently contains the transactions you want to recategorize. This step is important because you're first identifying where the transactions are now before moving them somewhere else. If you're unsure which account contains the transactions, reviewing your recent reports or transaction details first can help you identify the correct starting account. After selecting the account, QuickBooks will show you the transactions associated with it. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can confirm you're working with the correct items. Then, check the boxes next to each transaction you want to reclassify. You can select as many as needed, which makes this process very efficient when fixing multiple mistakes at once. It's a good idea to double-check transaction dates, amounts, and descriptions before selecting them so you don't accidentally move an unrelated entry. When you've selected the transactions, click the Reclassify button at the top of the page. QuickBooks will then prompt you to choose the new category account. Select the account you want these transactions to be moved to. Make sure you choose the correct destination account, since this change will affect how those transactions appear in your financial reports. Correct categorization is important because reports such as your profit and loss statement rely on these account assignments to organize income and expenses accurately. Once you confirm the new category, QuickBooks will reclassify those selected transactions for you. And that's it. You've successfully recategorized multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. You can review the account afterward to make sure everything now appears where you intended. This is a great feature to use whenever you're tidying up your bookkeeping and want a faster, more organized way to correct categorization errors. Used carefully, it can make account cleanup much faster, while helping keep your reports consistent and easier to review.